Hello, fellow people. This is, I think, the 10th episode and also the 10th video for my channel and the 10th episode for the series Teraflop. Mm. Sorry if you hear something, I'm eating chocolate. It's pretty late outside, it's dark. Wait, is it really? Well, it isn't. It's only 1925. Oh, 30, it's 30. Oh, it's 1930 and it looks like it's midnight, but it's not. Fall, autumn. So we have. I forgot to draw that. No, I didn't. I forgot to draw something. Very funny. That we have descendants of this guy, Obumpes, Eggfoot. Sounds like a disease, but whatever. So we have two descendants of Avumpes. Let's start with our carnivore. Let's call him Carni. Let's call him Carni. Maybe you're saying, Carni Carni Carni, why are you so arvy? He's pretty much a giant scissor for meat. It's like a bear scissor. That didn't make sense. Okay, last chocolate to go. Mm, it's minty with they have different flavors, but I just didn't notice. Mm. So it's called Protobit. First bite. I love doing stuff with my hands. It's so funny on camera. So these guys have blue-green blurry vision, which makes them see individual shapes, but they're really sensitive to motion. It just detected the face here. How did it detect a face? Anyway, these guys have a full developed jaw, and they have like this cool thing which gives them a lot of, let's say, personality. And they have on this, let's say, brow ridge or whatever. It's not really a brow ridge, but it's some kind of ridge. You can name it in the comments if you want, but mm, whatever. Hopefully the image, hopefully it's not going to be flipped like the last video, which was flipped, and thanks to a bug in YouTube, which wasn't the best experience. Hopefully you excused me. So Protobit had his uh, around 1 meter tall and long at the display to mate structure, which is when you look at it from the front, this ridge goes into like a Y shape, and between the Y shape is the hair. I'm trying to visualize it with my hands. This pen is the hair, and this is the bony ridge. It splits into like a Y shape to anchor the hair and make it look pretty. So they have strong muscles, which I'm jealous of. I myself don't have strong muscles. It sounded really weird. Anyway, I'm jealous of my creations. Wait, that sounded real weird. Maybe it's because I have snot in my organs. I have snot in my mouth. I have dust allergies and pollen allergies. Now in the autumn, in November, it's not quite as a problem as in the summer or September, May, April, when the pollen is on its peak. Achoo, 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 achoo. So it's dusty here. Like you can clean something, put it on the shelf, and in 20 minutes it's dusty again. Sometimes when the today or in in this time of the year, it's not Christmas. It's still not Christmas. It's kind of like one day after Halloween. I don't know. I am not American. I don't celebrate. I don't celebrate. I don't do Halloween. Let's say that. I don't. Technical difficulties. I need to make like a paper that I show when I have difficulties saying something. Like words are hard or please stand by technical difficulties, blah blah blah. So this guy has camouflage. It's yellow and kind of dusty looking because there's no grasses or ferns or ground to cover cow ground cow. It's like cow digging into the soil and just burying itself. Self burying cow when it dies of stomach problems. Because how do you say it in English? Because cows have like four stomachs. Four stomachs they have, and when one gets tangled, they bloat and then die. I don't know what is it called in English. I know how is it called in my language. I'm not going to reveal the language because that would be. I don't feel about that. So this is a kind of bear, a lizard, a scissor thingy, and let's go to Arboretum tree beast. It's a beast that haunts your dreams. No, it isn't. So it has excellent. No, it doesn't have the range of colors that humans see, but it has UV receptors and a little bit of green and a little bit of red receptors, which means it sees UV yellow. The UV is for the made display, which it shares with protobit, which they are related. That explains the clause. Because if you look, Avum Pass, has claws that point backwards, not front, like Arboferian and Protobit have. It was really weird with my voice. Anyway, it has this brown coloring along its body to represent branches of trees, mostly of Alta plantae. It also eats the seeds of Alta plantae as its primary food source. Actually, it has sexual dimorphism, which Protobit doesn't have. The more you know, or the more you hair, hair, like the stuff you have on your head, hair. My sorry, my my ear just started to hurt. Okay, it stopped hurting now. For some reason, it hurt it. I don't know why. So it branch like does yellow coloring to represent leaves to be camouflaged from protobit, which can't climb themselves, but with their giant muscles and they're heavy, they can knock the tree until it falls. Effect. I shaked the pole that I am recording this video on to have the, because I'm not holding the phone. They are my hands here. So it's on a pole and there's like a sticky bit, a tripod thingy that I record off. So Arboferium also has the bait display, a strong beak, so it can crush seeds effectively, and it doesn't have a really muscled skeleton, except that it has like very big front limbs, which may change into wings or into bad. So that's a spoiler for the next video, in which we are going to my 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 voice just crashed. Anyway, in the next episode, we are going to expand into the wilderness and go to the savannah. Yes, you heard right. Savannah. So, have a nice day or night, and bye bye.